Tokyo is a paradise for tech lovers, but with so many electronic stores across the city, where should you begin your shopping spree? Whether you're looking for the latest gadgets, building your own PC, or hunting for rare components, Tokyo's tech scene has something for everyone. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 electronic stores in Tokyo, from massive tech giants to niche hidden gems, so you know exactly where to go. Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. Let's dive in. Located in the heart of Akihabara, Yodobashi Akiba is one of Japan's largest electronics stores, offering an unmatched selection across 8 massive floors. You'll find everything from cameras, home appliances, gaming consoles, and beauty tech, to toys and collectibles. There's even a food court on the 7th floor if you need a break, and a dedicated floor for hobbyists and capsule toy gachapon fans. Prices range from a modest 1,000 yen to high-end gadgets over 500,000 yen. Tourists can enjoy tax-free shopping on purchases over 5,500 yen. Just remember to bring your passport. For the best experience, visit on weekday mornings when it's less crowded, and check flyers or the store's app for QR code discounts. A fun fact, the store's variety is so vast that you might come across unusual items like electric scalp massagers, ultrasonic aroma diffusers, or even shoe dryers. Just steps from Tokyo Station, Biccamera Yurakucho is a tech haven that spans several floors and offers everything from high-end laptops to cosmetics, souvenirs, and alcohol. Prices here can range between 1,500 yen and a cool 1 million yen plus, especially in the luxury watch department featuring Rolex, Grand Seiko, and Omega. This store is perfect for travelers looking to buy Japanese exclusive beauty gadgets, like heated eyelash curlers or ionic hair dryers. Multilingual staff are on hand to help with tax-free shopping for tourists. Be sure to check for additional discount coupons at the entrance or online before you shop. One quirky detail about Biccamera, they occasionally run fun promotions like bundling a PlayStation with a bottle of whiskey, definitely worth watching for. If you're a PC building enthusiast, Tsukomo Ex in Akihabara is your go-to spot. With prices ranging from 2,000 to 400,000 yen, this store specializes in custom-built PCs and serious computer parts, from GPUs and CPUs to RAM and advanced cooling systems. They offer one-on-one consultations and are known for their knowledgeable English-speaking staff, including tech expert Tatsutoshi Beniya. Whether you're building your first rig or upgrading a current setup, the staff can help you assemble a system with top-tier cable management. Visit on a weekday if you want more in-depth support without the crowds. Pro tip, come prepared with a build list or a general idea of your needs, and don't be afraid to ask for budget-friendly alternatives. Some locals even call Tsukomo the shrine of custom PC building, thanks to its outstanding customer service and tech expertise. Opposite Keisa Ueno Station, Yodobashi Ueno is a smaller, more streamlined version of its Akihabara sibling, making it ideal for travelers who want quick, efficient tech shopping while sightseeing. With 7 floors and a price range from 1,000 to 300,000 yen, it's perfect for picking up travel accessories, cameras, SIM cards, and mobile gear. It's often less crowded than other branches, which makes it a convenient stop for those visiting Ueno Park or the zoo nearby. Looking for travel-friendly tech? You'll find a great selection of portable chargers, headphone splitters, and power converters. It's also a great spot to grab a local SIM card or pocket Wi-Fi before heading off the grid. Fun fact, this store is a favorite among tourists for those last-minute tech needs before hopping on a train or heading to the airport. For DIY electronics lovers, engineers, and hobbyists, Akizuki Denshi Tsusho is a dream come true. Tucked away in Akihabara, this compact but packed shop offers components like resistors, sensors, soldering irons, microcontrollers, and even full Arduino and Raspberry Pi kits, all priced between 50 yen and 50,000 yen. The store is neatly organized by component type, and it recently expanded to a 2nd floor to accommodate more gear. It's a beloved destination for students and makers alike. Many Japanese tech students even get their first soldering kits here. Bring a list or photos of what you need, since the staff, though not fluent in English, are very helpful. Just remember, it's a cash-only shop, so come prepared. Need a rare component? Check their website beforehand to ensure it's in stock. Visiting Akizuki is like stepping into a mini laboratory, and for many, it's a rite of passage in Japan's DIY tech scene. Whether you're hunting for high-end gadgets, building your dream PC, or exploring Japan's DIY electronics culture, Tokyo's electronics stores have something for every kind of tech enthusiast. From sprawling tech emporiums like Yodobashi Akiba to niche gems like Akizuki Denshi Tsusho, you're sure to find something exciting. So what store are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel tips and shopping guides from Japan and beyond.